Oh. Hello guys, I'm with my fidget spinner again, remember last video? And so, here's my cousin's fidget spinner. Dun 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 dun. Can you stop spinning it?
Hello.
Wow, I did it.
So what are we gonna do with the fidget spinner?
Battle. We're gonna battle?
Okay.
Put on the floor! And 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow.
That's OP. It's still spinning.
Wow. Look at mine.
Boy.
That-
There
and
you
it's
go.
still spinning.
Wow, mine's still spinning.